Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Japan defeated China. Japan's rapid modernization efforts transformed its military and industrial capabilities. Meanwhile, China's Qing dynasty struggled with internal rebellions and a lack of significant reform. This disparity in development set the stage for conflict, ultimately leading to Japan's decisive victory. Japan strategically invested in modern weaponry and training, mirroring European powers. Their military leadership was highly organized and efficient. In contrast, China's forces, despite their size, suffered from corruption and outdated practices. Japan's well-planned campaigns, including swift naval maneuvers and land assaults, overwhelmed Chinese defenses. Hey everyone, if you're finding this explanation helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, especially when learning history. Grab an Owala water bottle to keep your focus sharp. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. The war concluded with the Treaty of Shimonoseki, a pivotal moment for both nations. China was compelled to cede important territories, including Taiwan, to Japan. Furthermore, a substantial war indemnity was imposed, placing a heavy financial burden on China. This treaty also solidified Japan's growing regional power, particularly in Korea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.